everybody to this next episode of Carolina to Cagayan. I am your host, Jackoff Esquire, your quintessential fake businessman and bad father. In this episode, I would like to talk about myself a little bit. I am a business owner in North Carolina, and I do not plan to give up that business whatsoever once I get over to the Philippines permanently. My business, as well as my military benefits, are a source of income for me, so it's going to be a non-issue when I'm there, along with my wife. I plan to get out of a rat race here in America and focus more on philanthropy in the Philippines. One of the things I have already started is my nonprofit or foundation. It is not official in the Philippines yet, but that's going to take a while because the Philippines requires at least $20,000 investment into a Philippines bank account before you can start your nonprofit or foundation there. However, I need to speak with a lawyer regarding my rights on this, and if I can do it through someone else's foundation as a sub-foundation. Preferably, I'd like to do it through the church because they have a lot more resources. Anyway, if you go to knpf.org, you will see my foundation, which is basically Hands of the Philippines. I am a 3D printer, and I plan on focusing on assisting those who need prosthetic hands from ages 5 to adult. Also, I will be providing some adult prosthetics as well. So here is a sample of a 3D hand I've already printed. Of course, I'm going to change that up a little bit and have them in different levels, where this is just your basic mechanical one, and it can go all the way up to one that's electronic, run by remote control. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a good day, and if you have any questions about my move there or about my upcoming foundation, be sure to let me know. Be sure to subscribe.